Hey everyone! Welcome back to Social Tool 101. Today, we're diving into section breaks and page breaks in Microsoft Word, two powerful tools to format your document like a pro. Whether you're working on a report, thesis, or a long document, mastering these will save you a lot of time. So let's get started. Let's start with page breaks. A page break allows you to move content to a new page without manually hitting enter multiple times. Page breaks are perfect for separating chapters, starting a new topic, or ensuring tables don't split across pages. Click where you want the new page to start. Go to the Layout or Insert tab. Click on Breaks, then select Page Break. Boom! Your content moves to a fresh page instantly. Pro tip: you can also press Ctrl plus Enter for a quick page break. Now, let's talk about section breaks. These are used when you need different formatting in different parts of your document, like changing headers, footers, margins, or page orientation within the same file. Click where you want the new section to start. Go to the Layout tab. Click Breaks, then choose the section break you need. See how easy it is? Made a mistake? No worries. Here's how to remove page and section breaks. Click Home, then click Show Hide P to see hidden formatting marks. Select the page break or section break and press Delete, and you can click Show Hide again and see the section page break is removed. And that's it! Now you know how to use page breaks and section breaks like a pro in MS Word. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.